Okay, in our previous class, we already complete exercise 8.1. Then, um, according to last year reduced syllabus, exercise 8.2 and 8.3 are omit. So, now we are going to solve. We'll go to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we'll go to Pythagoras theorem. So in Pythagoras theorem also only numericals problem that is included. Only numerical problems are included. So if you look Pythagoras theorem, yeah, I think you already know Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, we only in right angle triangle we can apply. We can apply Pythagoras theorem only in right angle triangle. So Pythagoras theorem is h square equal to p square plus b square. I think don't need to say it again, that one. I hope you still remember Pythagoras theorem. And then in here, if you look at exercise 8.4, in here proving and all will not do, so we have to do only numericals problem. So 1 2 3 4 it's no need, and then here okay 5 is proof. Oh, okay, let's go to question number 5. Question number 5. And in question number 5, in an equilateral triangle, which side A, equilateral triangle, which side A, prove that altitude equal to root 3 by 2a, area equal to root 3 by 4a square. So let me draw equilateral triangle. Yeah, let me draw equilateral triangle. Then the side is given that A. So if one side is A, another side also it will be A, because in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. Okay, in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. That's why if one side is A, so another side also it will be A. So in here A is already given, so let me give PQR for this triangle, PQR. And then we have to prove is altitude equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2a. Altitude is here the height. Altitude means height. PQRS. Let me give S this one. Altitude. We are going to find out altitude in here, and this is, we know that 90 degree. Okay. Then this one is A. Okay. QR is A. Then in here we are going to find out PS, that is altitude. So to find out this right triangle PSR, if you look, right triangle PSR, PR is hypotenuse, PS is perpendicular, and SR is base. So PS we are going to calculate, and then this SR also we don't know, so but we can find out SR easily, because this PS bisect this triangle. So bisect means divide into two equal parts. Okay, so that means S is midpoint of QR. It is in the middle. So that means QS is half of QR, as well as SR is half of QR. So we can find out SR easily, because it is half of QR. Half of QR. and then you can calculate half between the multiplication sign. QR is A. That means 1 into A by 2. Okay, so SR is, we know that A by 2, and then now we can apply Pythagoras theorem because we already know two sides. So in right triangle PSR, Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is PR, h square hypotenuse is another PR equal to perpendicular is PS, base is SR. So PR is, you know that A square. Then PS we don't know, we have to calculate PS. SR is, you know that A by 2 square. Okay, don't neglect to write square. And then A square equal to PS square plus this. The whole in square means both of them A and 2 carry square. A square is, you know that, A square. Then 2 square is, you know that, 4. So this A square by 4 will take in this side. So if you take in this side A square, it will become minus PS square. Then this one, let's take LCM. If you take LCM for A square minus A square equal to PS square. So A square, both of them carry A square, A square and A square, so we can subtract it. If we subtract 3A square PS square. So this square crossing this side, if it is cross square root, it will go to square root. Hold in square root 3A square divided by 4 PS. So let me continue here. Root 3A square. Root 3A square. Root 3 is not a perfect square, so write root 3. Then A square. Square root of A square is, you know that, A. This one hold in square root 3A square divided by 4 means both of them 3A square and 4 will carry root. So look, root 3 is, you know that, it is not a perfect square. We'll write with the same root 3. Then, so no need to look 3 now. So A square, square root of A square is, square root of A square is A. Okay, because here root and root we cancel, so A. Or square root of A square means root A into root A. Root and root, if we multiply it, it will break it. It will disappear. So root A into root A is A. Okay, so like that. So that means root 3A square is root 3A. Then square root of 4 is, you know that, 2. Okay, square root of 4 is 2. So that means the answer is PS equal to root 3 divided by 2A. So that is the answer, sub number 1 answer. because in step number 1 we are going to find out is, if you look here, altitude equal to √3 by 2a. So PS is, we know that in here PS is altitude, and we find out √3 by 2a. Then step number 2, area. Step number 2, area. So area of equilateral triangle formula is, we know that √3 by 4 into side square. Okay, area of equilateral triangle is, we know that √3 by 4 into side square. So in here the side is given that a, that means we'll just apply area √3 by 4 into side square, then √3 by 4 into side is, the side is a, then it will carry square a square. That's all. Then if you look at the next page, question number 6, no need. 7 is homework. Okay, ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2a. Find each of its altitude. So altitude we have to find out. If we find out one altitude, so all the altitude will be equal. So finding out only one is enough. Okay, so the side is given that 2a. Still the same with the previous question which we already solved. And then we'll go to question number 8. Question number 8. A ladder is placed against a wall such that each foot is at a distance of 6 meters from the wall, and each top reaches a window 8 meters above the ground. Find the length of the ladder. So ladder ladder is, you all know that in Mizo I'll say lei lom. Okay, lei lom ani ladder kan ti khan lei lon ani ta lei lon ani lova lei lon ti tur LAE lei lon lei ani lo. Chuan lei lon kha banga khan kan va tung ta a. Chuan lei lon ke le bang in kar hlat chonga kha. Meter ruk 6 meter ani. Chuan lei lon chung atop pakhan lei lon to pakhanin kongkhar 8 meter asang kha kami chunga hana ahanin hat chet ina chu. Find the length of the ladder. Kongkhar kati tuk ver window tuk ver kami leilon chunga kha tuk vera khanin ani inda ani chu. Chuan tuk ver san zonga kha le chang khan meter riat ani. Chuan find the length of the ladder. Leilon sei zong ha zon chu tur ni chu. So here let me draw the figure. Suppose this is a wall. Okay, this is a wall. Then in here window is here, so that is window is 8 meter above the ground. So and then this is the ladder. The ladder is placed in a window. Okay, yeah, this is a window, and then this is the ladder. We have to find out the length of the ladder and the distance of the wall. The distance of the wall and the foot of the ladder is 6 meters. Okay, so we have to find out the length of the ladder. In here, let me give alphabet ABC. Let me give ABC. So let AC be the length of the ladder. Let AC be the length of the ladder. Let AC be the length of the ladder. So AC is the length of the ladder. So in here, this is, you know that by right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, h square equal to b square plus b square. Hypotenuse AC square equal to perpendicular AB square plus base BC square. Then SC is, we don't know, SC we don't know. Then AB 8 square. BC is 6 square. Then AC square equal to 8 square 64 36. 6 square 36, and AC square equal to this one. We'll add 10, 9, 10, 100. Then this square, if it is crossing the right side, it will be square root of 100. So square root of 100 is, you know that, 10 centimeter. Okay, so in the end you have to write, hence the length of the ladder is 10 centimeter. Hence the length of the ladder is 10 centimeter. Okay, then we'll go to next question. Question number 9 is no need, because only numerical problem we're going to do. So question number 10, two poles of height 6 centimeters and 11 meters stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meters, find the distance between their tops. Okay. So two poles of height 6 meters and 11 meters stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meters. So in here, two poles of height 6 meters and 11 meters. 11 meters, 6 meters and 11 meters stand on the plain ground, and the distance between their foot is, you know that, 12 meters. So we have to find out is the distance between their tops. Okay, this is the distance between their tops. We have to find out. So in here we don't have right angle triangle, so we have to construct, we have to draw this line. So this is 90 degree. Then if you look at this, if this is 12 meters, so this one also will be 12 meters, because these two poles stand straightly. Okay, so that's why they will be equal. This 12, and then this side, we can calculate. Look, this is 11 meter, and yeah, look, up to this, see, up to this is 6 meter. 6 meter. Up to this is 6 meter. So let me give the alphabet A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So look, this CD 6, and then C, DE also 6. Then AB we can calculate. AB means from the full length. From the full length we subtract BE. From the full length we subtract BE, it will become AB. See. See, from the full length, then if we subtract BE, so see, it will come out, it will become AB. AB will come out. AB means AE minus BE. Okay. So we'll write it again. Let SCB distance between their tops. Distance between their tops. Distance between the top of the two poles. Two poles. So let AC be the distance between the tops of the two poles. Tops of the two poles. Okay. So AB, now AB, let's calculate AB. AB means, I already said, AE minus BE. From the full length, if we subtract BE, so it will come out AB. So AE is 11 and this is 6. So this one, if we subtract it, 5. Then now AB is, we know that 5 meter. 5 meter. AB is 5 meter, so we can calculate easily AC in right triangle ABC. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Then SC is, we don't know, so that is the same. Then AB is, we already calculate here, that is 5 square. Then BC is, we know that, 12 square. 25 144. Then this one 169. Then square, it will be squares on the right side, it will be square root. Square root of 169. Square root of 169 is, you know that, 13. 13 meter. So that means the distance between their tops is 13 meter.